Hello there, how you doing? Gonna make this soup today. It is super easy. It's delicious, it's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I love about this soup is just the prep. Just prepping it up is what takes time. Cooking it is nothing really, it's so simple. Potatoes, cut them in that kind of size as the tomatoes. I've got about 3 cups there, 2 cups there, 2 cups of carrots. I like to grate my carrots in there. I think it's really nice texture. I mean, cut it really small if you want. Tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger mix there. Fresh chili, entirely up to you how much you want to put in. The big 4, so a teaspoon here of turmeric, chili, cumin, and coriander powders. If you don't have those ones, 4 teaspoons of curry powder. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, a cup of onion, and here we've got our dal or our lentils. This is a red lentil, about 2 cups there. What I'm going to do is before we put that into the pot, I'm just going to rinse them through in some cold water. That's about it. A bit of salt and pepper. Let's go. So you're going to need a large pot of some sort. We're going to start off by dropping in to the oil, the cumin seeds. So I'm using the sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. We're going to drop in the 1 cup of onion. We're going to drop in the 3 cups of potatoes. And like I say, all of these measurements, you can really play around with them, adjust it how you want. In goes our grated carrot. In goes the ginger garlic paste. Now if you want, you could just be putting ginger in or just garlic. I like the combo of both. Our spices, one more look shall we? Turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, fresh chili to taste, up to you. Tomato, a couple of cups of those I've got there. We're now going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. Above medium heat, we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes. And in that time, I'm just going to give my lentils or my dal a little rinse through. Fabulous. Nearly everything's in. Just a bit of a head start. Then for our lentils or dal. Now this, like red lentils, like this dal, it cooks really quickly. Other ones, other types will take much longer. We're going to go for 4 more minutes. And then simply we're going to add water or some form of liquid like stock or something. But yeah, nearly done. Yeah, all of the work for this is in the prepping, the cutting. Well, I'm going to use water. If you want, you could use like a vegetable stock or something like that. In goes my water. Now I've put in there about 2.5 pints. We're going to bring that to the boil. We're going to cook it out until the dal and the potatoes are cooked. Check your potatoes. That's the thing that's going to indicate whether this is done or not. It's going to be, once it reaches boiling point, it's going to be about 8 minutes, I think. Now, the consistency is up to you. Make it thick, make it thin, so you might want to top it up or something like that. Up to you. See you in a minute. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. And off goes the heat. That's beautiful. Now I did top it up just a little bit with some more water. Now you can't really overcook this, you can just keep going. So just, you know, it'll just break down and break down. I'm now going to add a little bit of fresh coriander or cilantro, as some of you call it. Give that a mix and job done. Now if you wanted, you could liquidize this and make it really super smooth. But I'm going just like that. Maybe a little splash of coconut milk could be good. But yeah, I'm super happy. Really easy, beautiful little soup that is. Right, well that's easy enough, isn't it? Really tasty that is. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.